Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Nowadays the WordPress is growing day by day. Okay, so there are many WordPress developer are studying to make the website. Okay, so you can see the price range. It will be very high. You can see this is the $80 mean there are one page they getting $80 per page. Okay, so they are she is doing only $80 per landing page only. So the page between 2 to 6 they're getting $280. For the premium package they are getting $480. So the price should be various types. Okay, so if you are be a web developer, as a web developer and web designer, as a web WordPress, you can earn many, you can earn more. Okay, if you study well you can earn more as a web developer, as a WordPress developer. Okay, you can see there are many freelancers are earning money from that. Okay, the price is very high. Here you can see the price is very high. Okay, you will be able to make the website. So here there are many students who ask me that what is the difference between the Elementor? The Elementor, which is a page builder. Okay, the page, if you are elected that as a page builder, when you are making the website using Elementor, if you choose Elementor, you go along with the Elementor only. Okay, you can customize your website. Whatever design you can customize. Okay, you have to pay the pro one. There is a plenty of free template are there, plenty of templates are there. You can customize and you can develop whatever design. Okay, with the Elementor. Okay, you can customize that. Okay, very popular in WordPress. The Elementor is very popular. Okay, so other hand we have another one. This is another company which is a Divi builder. This is same like Elementor, but this is the in my point I am using Divi theme. Okay, so I have used couple of years, but in my point it's very good theme. Okay, so this also having a good customized look. Okay, you having it is very simply we have customized the website. Okay, they are given uh, all the functions, okay, to customize our website. Okay, the content you can see here, they are here. You can see the bus, how to color the button, the background color, everything you will be able to see here. Also they provide the free the themes as well. Once you buy the Divi, they are given the themes as well. You can customize the particular theme using the Divi builder and make the website successful. Okay, so these freelancers are using Divi builder here. They are putting that gig using a WordPress Divi builder or here. Everyone they are putting that he is putting that Divi builder. Okay, that's very famous for the he using both Divi builder and Element. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Okay, this is the thing. If you are go along with the Elementor, you go along with that one. If you are go Divi, you can go along with that, make the websites. Okay, so if you are make the free theme, what is a paid theme? Paid theme, if you are buying the paid theme, the thing is the paid theme mostly that developer give to you the free page builder. So I couple of years back I purchased one theme. I not remember that theme name. They given the page builder which name is UI builder. That the same like Divi and Elementor, we can customize our website. There is a builder, we can arrange the columns for how many columns we need. We can if we need two, we can split up the two. If we need three, we can split three. Okay, you can build the theme and you can import the image and everything. You can do it. Okay, simple. Okay, so it's don't worry about that. Okay, some other free themes they are giving the Elementor as well as a page builder. Some other themes they are given they are on page builder. Okay, if you purchase a theme, you don't go and you don't go to the Elementor and install. You can don't no need this one. The paid theme they are given the page builder. You have to go along with the particular page builder and do the website. Okay, that's the things. Okay, so if you are making the website as a WordPress, you can go along with the Elementor or Divi builder or paid theme. Okay, they both three things are different. Okay, if you are go to the paid theme, they giving the page builder as paid theme page builder. Okay, along with the paying builder. Okay, page builder along with the page builder. Don't worry about they given. If you are the Divi, they given the all the things, all the if you are by the pro version, they giving them all themes. They are given many themes. You can pick up one theme and you can customize it. Otherwise you can make it as a null theme and do the websites. Okay, they're very simple, these all the things. Okay, first you have to study this all the things. Okay, then only you can success on your WordPress. Okay, very simple. The here the very simple. If you are if you are make the website and you can make money online as a freelancer, you study WordPress well. Okay, WordPress is nowadays a more popular CMS management system. Okay, they are day by day they are introducing the new page builders as well. Okay, you can easily manage and you can reduce the time and do the website rather than your coding. You can just drag and simple you can finish off your website for your customers. Okay, customer needs. Okay, the customer given their expected so there are some other customers are asking the paid theme. So I work as a WordPress developer in my company. Some of the freelancers are they are buying the paid theme. Okay, they are buying some paid theme and given to you. Okay, you have to customize that theme and do the websites. Okay, imagine if your customer asking to buy this one. Here you can install in your you can go and you can see the preview how the site look like. You can see here and they are all the screenshot provided. Okay, so you can easily learn that the look is this. But they, if you want to change the look, they given the page builder as well. The page builder coming along with this theme, you can easily customize and do the website. Okay, that's the thing you have to do. Okay, I hope you can this instruction enough for you to learn WordPress master. Okay, so in my coming video, if you like, I'll be upload the WordPress videos. Now you can see that there are many sites are there. You can easily customize and give it to the customer. These are the sites which will be, you can see the nowadays e-commerce websites. These are the templates they are running. You can see that. So they are a eye-catching website. Okay, when the customer come across your website must be a good look. Then only they come across your website and buy something else. Okay, your picture should be very clear. Okay, so then only they are coming and visit your website and buy something else. Okay, so first you must learn WordPress well. Okay, congratulations. Thank you for watching. As soon as possible, I am uploading the WordPress video into my channel. You will be able for learning for free. Thank you for watching.